a tradition to ask for permission for safe passing through the coastline of Napalli, and I'll be doing this by way of an oli, or a chant. Hikimai no topume. Hello, alohe, 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 hibe. The island of Kauai, also known as the Garden Island, is the fourth largest in size of the 8 major islands. It was formed by a massive shield volcano named Olokele. The highest peak is named Vai Ale Ale, standing at a height of nearly 5,200 feet. Vai Ale Ale is noted to be the wettest spot in the world, with an average rainfall of 450 to 600 inches of rain per year. Kauai is nearly circular in shape and encompasses 533 square miles, 25 miles long, and 33 miles across at its widest point. Only 3% of the island has developed for commercial and residential use, leaving the remaining 97% divided between agriculture and conservation. Now, as we sail closer to the Napalli coastline, we take you farther back into time. Imagine millions of years ago and 2,000 miles away from any other landmass, a battle between the Earth's molten core, fire, and water gave birth to what we know today as the beautiful Hawaiian Islands. Seeds which were fastened to the wings of birds started the plant life, which began to flourish in abundance. Again, today we are navigating past the northern shores of the island of Kauai. These shores are better known throughout the world as the Napalli Coast State Park, named for the majestic cliffs, or pali, that define the area. It has been voted one of the top 50 most beautiful places in the world by National Geographic. This area covers nearly 6,200 acres. The spectacular terrain plunges from an elevation of 4,000 feet to sea level over a distance of less than 2 miles.
Look at the waterfall.
This 15-mile stretch of coastline is one of the least disturbed wildlands in all of Hawaii. The spectacular views of the rugged scenery makes a vivid impression on visitors. Yet when volcanic activity on Kauai ended 6 million years ago, there were no cliffs on the coast at all. Instead, the entire island of Kauai was dome-shaped, and the coast extended into a gradual slope a mile farther out to sea than it does at present. 10 million years of volcanic eruptions built the Hawaiian Islands to the greatest height. The Napalli coast is the result of a 6 million year contest between solid lava rock and persistent erosion. Kauai's thundering winter surf and torrential rain have etched their mark in the northwestern corner of the original shield volcano, bearing the lava layers and banks you see today. Now, some of these cliffs are straight up at about 4,000 feet above sea level, and at this distance they look serrated and sharp, but up close you will see they are more on the soft and smooth side. If you look close enough, you might even see the wildlife on the cliffs, including long white-tailed birds, the mountain goats, and even the black-tailed deer. Historians believe this rugged yet beautiful coastline was the first area of Kauai to be settled by the ancient Hawaiians. As inhospitable as these cliffs appear, they provided the settlers with all the basics of life: fresh water from the mountain streams, native vegetation, fertile ground in the valleys, and unparalleled fishing in the vast ocean. These sea cliffs begin at Kite Beach and continue around the north and west portion of Kauai for about 15 miles, finally ending at Polihale Beach. Again, every week as we pass by this beautiful cliffs, the weather